Students, today we will start with question number 4, fourth part of exercise 3.5. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another starts from B at the same time. And if the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Now, one car started from A and another car started from B. And it is also given that these two places are 100 km apart on a highway. Means the distance between these 2 points is 100 km. One car starts from A and another car starts from B. We have to find the speeds of both the cars. So let us suppose, let the speed of the car starting from A be x km/h and the speed of the car starting from B be y km/h, right? But the first situation given is if the car travels in the same direction. Same direction means if the car starting from A is moving towards this side and car starting from B is also moving towards this side, they meet in 5 hours. They meet in 5 hours. It means if they are meeting, let us, the point Q is there and A and B after 5 hours meet at point Q, right? A and B after 5 hours meet at point Q. Now we also know that speed is equals to distance upon time, right? Speed is equals to distance upon time. Speed of car A is x. Distance covered in 5 hours be AQ and time is 5. It means AQ is equals to 5x. Now distance covered by B. Again speed is equals to distance upon time. Speed of the B as we already know y. Distance covered by B is BQ because they are meeting after 5 hours at point Q, that is BQ, and time is again same 5. It means BQ is equals to 5y, right? But the distance we know that only AB is equals to 100 km, which is given, right? AB is equals to 100 km is given, and we can see from the figure that AB is equals to AQ minus BQ. AQ minus BQ is equals to 100. And we know that the value of AQ is equals to 5x and value of BQ is equals to 5y is equals to 100 km. X minus y, if you take 5 common, is equals to 100 and x minus y is equals to 100 upon 5, that is 20 km. So this is our equation number 1. Now the next situation is given if they travel towards each other. If they travels towards each other, the point A, B, the distance is 100 km. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. They meet in 1 hour. Let the P is a point. They will meet. Suppose we can say, suppose that they meet after 1 hour. They meet at point P. Right. Now again we know that speed is equals to distance upon time. Speed is equals to speed of A is x. Distance traveled by A is AP. Time they meet in 1 hour 1. It means value of AP is equals to x. Again if we are finding the speed of B, distance upon time, speed of B is y. Distance covered by B is BP. Timing is again same 1. which implies BP is equals to Y. Now again we know that AB is equals to 100 and AB can be written as AP plus PB. AP plus PB is equals to 100. Value of AP is X and value of BP is Y is equals to 100. This is your equation number 2. Now your equation number 1 was X minus Y is equals to 20 and equation number 2 is X plus Y is equals to 100. And it is already written in the equation. We can use any method to solve it. So we can simply, as it is given plus Y and minus Y, if we add these two equations, we can solve it. Adding equation number 1 and 2. X plus Y plus X minus Y is equals to 100 plus 20. As Y and Y cancel, 2X is equals to 120, X is equals to 60 km per hour. Right? Now put the value of X in any of the equation. Put in equation number 1, that is X minus Y is equals to 20. X is here 60 minus Y is equals to 20. 60 minus 20 is equals to Y. Therefore, Y is equals to 40 km per hour. It means the speed of the car A is equals to 60 km per hour and speed of the car B is equals to 40 km per hour.